Rainy days can be fun as long as you're with your friends.
In fact, we could use our imaginations and pretend that all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops. And we could catch them in our mouths, just like this. Can you do that?
I'll try.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, so what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. You know we saw it, don't you? Now what if it were snowing? If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Here you go. How about one more time? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, so what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be.